Oppo F5 smartphone was launched in October 2017. The phone comes with a 6.00-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2160 pixels. Oppo F5 price in India starts from Rs. 18,249. The Oppo F5 is powered by octa-core MediaTek MT6763T processor and it comes with 4 GB of RAM. The phone packs 32 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 256 GB via microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Oppo F5 packs a 16-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 20-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Oppo F5 runs Android 7.1 and is powered by a 3200 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 156.50 by 76.00 by 7.50, height x width x thickness, and weigh 152.00 grams. The Oppo F5 is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone and accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, USB OTG, FM, 3G and 4G, with support for Band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone include proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope.